Hey guys. So I'm kind of a hot mess today, but I'm working from home and I'm sitting here at my desk and I wanted to share with you I'm having a little bit of tea. It's not Tea Tuesday, it's Tea Wednesday, but I have tea every day, so whatever. This is green tea, Bigelow green tea. That's my go-to besides the one from Costco as well. So yeah, that's my tea, but that's not why I'm filming. I'm actually filming to just kind of show you guys some little LED lights that I found at the Walmart the other day. And these are so freaking cute. And if you have time, maybe you want to check it out. They run on 3 AA's, so that's kind of, a little much, but I think if you use like rechargeable, it should be fine. But they're super cute. I picked the elves, but they had Santas. They had the little red truck, which I know some of you really like the red truck. But I picked the elves, just kind of up close. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like when it's lit up. I just thought they were super cute, and they're $5.88, so not horrible. And then you can do like steady, or you can set it to do the blinking type thing, like that. Let's see if it does anything else. I think there's like a fade out and a steady. I think that's the steady. Then it's the blinking. And then I think the other one's the one that does the fade out. Yeah, see, so kind of like, in a way, kind of like a twinkle or something. I don't know how to explain it other than that, but it kind of comes and goes. But yeah, I thought they were super cute, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them around my monitor here on the computer, if, that's what I decide to do. But haven't exactly decided yet, but that's what I think I'm going to go with. But I just thought they were super cute, and I have a lot of elf stuff that I can decorate with too. I like elves and I like snowmen. So yeah, there's that. The other thing that I did a long time ago, roughly over a year ago, I got this. It was in the mail. It was friend mail. I got a ribbon and it's teal, and I went ahead and took washi tape and I put the Nightmare Before Christmas on it. Nightmare Before Christmas washi tape. So I made it that way. And then I don't know if you guys remember the Christmas tree that I have that's Nightmare Before Christmas theme. This is going to sit on top of the tree. So there's that, guys. But yeah, that's just kind of my Tea Tuesday on a Wednesday. And I probably will come back later today with another, probably a Keurig haul or something. But I just wanted to kind of share. I have a little bit of downtime here on my lunch break. So I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.